Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we will see the next commands from the data menu. Split to text, remove duplicates, trim white spaces, group and ungroup. What we have left then will be named ranges and protected sheets and ranges. So this is a little important and I'll cover that separately after the today's session. Okay, so let's start with split text to columns. So basically, this will divide your text into multiple columns. This is the criteria we give. Now, as I have executed the command and my cursor or the cell selected was E12, so that's what it has highlighted this separate. So let me select a valid data first. Okay. Now, because it is not getting anything to split directly, it is asking me the option. Otherwise, what will happen is if I click on this column and simply click on data split text to columns, it will not ask me any single option and it will directly get this data separated because there is no other criteria Google has found to split this text. Okay, if we have different types of criterias available and then we go ahead with this command, so it will ask us for the separator. So if you look at here, default is detect automatically. Then we either have comma separation, semicolon, period, space, etc., or we can go by the custom method. So in the custom method, okay, before that, if I use the space one, now basis the space, my data got split because there were two spaces in the first entry. It is going into the third column. If I go by the custom method and if I say let me undo this, if I go by custom method and here I just press a space bar to create a space, it will split that way. If I have some special character in between, I can use that here and accordingly the data will get split. Okay, so I hope you got this concept. Moving on, remove duplicates. Now, I have there is this company 4 twice here and company 8 thrice here. So what ideally it should delete is one instance of this and the two instances of this, right? So I can either first select the range, go to data and remove duplicates. So it will ask me whether my data has a header row and then column to analyze. So if I have multiple columns selected, so it will ask me which column I want to see for removing the duplicates, or I can look at all the columns if I have selected multiple columns to look for the duplicates. So I'm going ahead with remove duplicates and see here 2 duplicate rows found and removed, 10 unique rows remain, right? Okay, now why it has removed twice is because my company there is a space here. Okay, so it will not consider anything. Okay, so if there are differences in the two entities, it will then avoid those things. Again, going back, remove duplicates and okay, we can again remove that in particular entry. Okay, third one is my trim white spaces. Trim white space is basically our trim command in Microsoft Excel. So this basically removes all the spaces from the given range of cells. If I go ahead trim white spaces, it will directly show us the message 3 selected cells have been removed with the spaces. Okay, so this is how it works. Next we have is group. So group is basically, for example, we have some of the okay, for example, we have company 1 thrice, okay, and company 6 twice. Okay, let's say some we have some entries. What I can do here is I can group the similar entities. Okay, so I can click on the rows, either rows or cells I wanted to group. Go to data, group. This can be accessed from the right click menu as well. So it will ask me which, because I have not selected the entire row, it will ask me group rows 2 to 4. Yes, and then this similarly can be accessed from here. Right click and then group 7 8. Okay, now I can close these things as well. Okay, so I can get if I can click on this, I can see my company data. The ideal way to use this group command is not selecting all the rows, rather selecting the uh, rest of the entries except the first one. Okay, I'll show you that. Before that, we need to remove this grouping. So I can right click on this and remove group. I can either collapse all, expand all, use these options. Let me remove this for now. This can be similarly accessed from the data menu as well. Okay, now if I click on these two and then group, now see here, I'll get, if I collapse this, I'll see my company one, the latest data. However, the other data can be hidden here this way. Okay, so this is it in this session. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for the next, and thank you.